everybody. Today I would like to talk with you about some speculation on American stock market. So first company you can see on your screen on chart, daily charts, have a ticker AMBP. Now we can see a false breakdown for one bar, this one, green bar. I mean level 3.4. So if today company will start trading on price, for example, 3.50, it will be a good idea for long deal. And of course, don't forget about stop loss orders below low of this bar. For example, on price 3.3839, 38 is better. Next one, company with ticker CHPT. Now we can see breakdown with consolidation below level 7.82. So if today trading will start on price, for example, 7.60 or below, we can set short orders, short deals, of course with stop loss orders above high of this bar. Next one, company with ticker NWL. We can see the same situation like previous breakdown with consolidation below level 8.02. So if today this company will start trading on price, for example, 7.90, will be, for my opinion, good idea for short deal. With stop loss above this level, for example, on price 8.15. So trade according to your trading strategy, trade with company Gerchik Co with this good software trade zero, and good luck, see you soon and take care.